Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will start our English grammar, 4th standard English grammar, that is Collins English Grammar and Composition by Prachi Deva. So this is our 4th standard English grammar book. I purchased it on Amazon. It's available in Amazon. Okay, today we will start the first lesson, nouns revision. Okay. So, what is noun? Noun is the name of the person, place, animal, things is called as a noun. Noun andre namapada. Person, place, animal, things ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಾಮಪದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ವಿಭಾ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ won the first prize. Here Vibha is a name of a person. It's a noun. And prize is also name of the thing. So this also noun. Understood? Next, we'll move on to exercise. Circle the nouns in the following sentences. My elder sister has a red umbrella. Circle the noun. Here, sister is a noun, umbrella is a noun. Okay. Next, honesty is the best policy. Honesty and policy are the nouns. The postman delivered 2 letters in the morning. Postman, letters, morning. I saw elephants and lions at the zoo. Elephants, lions, zoo. It is cold in the month of December. Month, December. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur, capital, Rajasthan. My mother invited my friends for lunch. Mother, friends, lunch. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Rajendra Prasad, President, India. Pankaj is having a bowl of cereal for breakfast. Pankaj, bowl, cereal, breakfast. Tom went to the market to buy a basketball. Tom, market, basketball. These are all the nouns. Understood? Next, identify the nouns and sort them into the correct categories. They are giving the categories: person, place, animal, thing, idea or feeling. Okay. First, tooth. So So which category it goes? It goes to things. Farm. Farm is goes to place. Joy. Joy is about the feeling, right? Joy. ಖುಷಿ ಆಗೋದು. Joy. Happy. Happy again comes under feeling. Rahul, already given, it's a person name. Doctor comes under person. Them, it also comes under person. Wolf comes under animal. Hope comes under feeling. Orange comes under thing. Cheese comes under thing. School comes under place. Kitten comes under AI. Next, your comes under person. India comes under place. Understood? This is about first lesson, nouns. Tomorrow we will see the second lesson, common, proper and abstract nouns. Okay? Thank you.